Imagine a world where your devices never run out of power. You're out on a camping trip, or maybe even stuck in the middle of a storm. What would you do if your phone, laptop, or essential gadgets needed charging, but there's no outlet in sight? Sounds like a nightmare, right? But what if you could bring power with you, no matter where you go? That's where the Jackery solar generator comes in. Stay tuned because I'm going to show you step by step how to get this amazing power friend into your home and start using it. It's easier than you think. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to the Jacker's official website. There you can choose the model that fits your needs, whether you're looking for a smaller power bank for your phone or something bigger to run your entire camping setup. Once you've made your choice, just hit the order button, and within a few days, your new best friend will be at your door. Once it arrives, open the box carefully. You'll find the main power unit, maybe some cables, and an instruction book. Don't worry, we'll walk through it together. Now, let's get this awesome machine set up. First, find a good spot for it. It's pretty small and light for how much power it holds, so it doesn't need a huge space. Make sure it's in a dry place, like a garage, basement, or even a study shelf. The best part about the Jackery solar generator is that it's designed to be super easy to use. You don't need to be a tech expert to set it up. It's ready to go right out of the box. What makes this Jackery truly special is how many ways you can charge it. You can charge it from your home wall outlet, which is super fast. But here's where the solar part comes in. You can also charge it with special solar panels. You just plug the solar panels into the Jackery, put them outside in the sun. This is where the magic happens. The solar panel absorbs sunlight and converts it into usable energy. Depending on the weather, it can take anywhere from a few hours to a full day to charge fully. But once it's ready, you'll have plenty of power to go around. How cool is that? You can even charge it from your car while you're driving. This means you can keep it powered up almost anywhere, anytime. I'm curious to know, what's the first device you'll want to power up with your Jackery solar generator? Let me know in comment section. Next up, it's time to plug in your devices. The Jackery solar generator comes with various ports, including USB-C, AC outlets, and DC ports, so you can charge pretty much anything. Whether you need to charge your phone, run a small fridge, or power a laptop, the Jackery Solar can handle it. Simply connect your device to the appropriate port and watch as your gadgets come back to life. But if you want to power more than just a few things with extension cords, Jackery offers a special switch you can get installed by an electrician. This switch lets the Jackery send power directly to some of your home's regular wall outlets. So, during an outage, instead of plugging things in one by one, you just flip a switch and those outlets come alive. It's like having your own mini power plant. It's a bit more advanced, but it gives you total peace of mind. Keeping your Jackery in tip-top shape is also very easy. Since its battery lasts for 10 years and keeps its charge so well, you don't have to do much. Just make sure to charge it fully every few months if you're not using it often. Keep it in a dry place, away from extreme heat or cold. Think of it like a superhero friend, always ready to jump into action when you need it. This Jackery homepower 3000 isn't just a battery, it's freedom, it's peace of mind, and it's making sure you're always ready. Go get yours and become your home's power hero. Don't wait until the next outage or trip to realize you need it. Click the link below and order your Jackery solar generator today. Your power, your freedom, your peace of mind, always within reach.